sure it sound right, boy.
Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101. I have some wonderful and grateful news for you guys. The government is now giving out a fourth stimulus payment. You know what that means.
Yeah, money, cash, money.
They're going to start paying you just because you have kids. Let's get into it. As a good pastor will say, I won't be before you long, but there's some really good information that I need to give you guys, because if you have kids, and you might be getting a huge payday starting today, July 15, 2021. Now, direct deposit for the latest stimulus payments are set to start today. Part of the American Rescue Plan that was passed back in March, expansion of the existing child tax credit provides $3,600 for each qualifying child under the age of 6 and $3,000 for each qualifying child over age 6 but under age of 18. Half of that credit will be paid in monthly installments of $300 or $250 per child through December. Now, the remainder can be claimed when filing 2021 tax returns. That's right. When you're filing your 21 tax returns, you can claim the remainder of the amounts of money and compensation you do not receive on your monthly payments, on your monthly stipends. Now, the IRS estimates some 39 million families with 65 million kids will receive the payments. There is no limit on the number of children that qualify, but there are income limits, okay? There are certain incomes that you guys simply can't get the money because you make too damn much money. Okay, I said it the way I wanted to say it. Too much damn much money. Just like that. Incorrect English. To receive a full payment, individuals must have an AGI of $75,000 or less. Okay, for any of you guys want to understand what AGI is, that's basically your gross income before taxes, okay? So if you make $75,000 or less, and married couples who has an AGI that is $150,000 or less, the credits drop incrementally after those before stopping completely for individuals earning $95,000 or more and married couples earning $170,000. So basically, if you're a single person with kids and you make $75,000 or more, if you have a child under 6, you're going to get paid that $3,600 in payments of $300. If you're a married couple making $150,000 or less, same thing applies to you. You're going to get that $300 for children under 6, and you're going to get $250 for children over the age of 6, okay? They have some thresholds, and then if you make 95, 170, those will be decreased dramatically in increments, okay? Now, taxpayers who make more than that amount will be able to claim the regular child tax credit, $2,000 per child under the age of 17, for families earning less than $200,000 a year, okay? So if you're making less than $200,000 a year, you can claim $2,000 per child under age 17 for families earning less than that amount, okay? The payments are set to start today, with 80% going out via direct deposit, followed by the issuance of paper checks, okay? So if you had direct deposit set up with your IRS and your tax return, then you will receive it via direct deposit. If not, you will be getting a paper check. Payments will follow on August 13th, okay? Payments will follow on August 13th. Move to that date because of August 15th falls on a Sunday. Then you have October 15th, November 15th, and December 15th. Now, for you guys who did not know, there is an IRS tool that allows people to provide additional information. The tool allows users to check to see if they are enrolled to receive payments. Very important. Go over to irs.gov, that's irs.gov, to ensure that you are set up using the IRS update tool. And again, this tool allows you to check to see if you are enrolled to receive payment. Very important tool, because you may think you're getting a payment because you got the previous stimulus checks. If I were you, I would just go over there and check again. Now, unenrolled to stop getting the payments, or provide an update in bank account information for monthly payments starting with the August deposit. Why is this important? Now, this tool, you can either enroll, unenroll, and also do an update of bank information. Because if you are above this threshold of the amount of money that the federal government has set forth, because maybe your income level has changed prior to the last stimulus check, then you want to unenroll from this, because what they're going to do is you're going to end up owing back money, back taxes. And believe me, you know what I always say when that occurs.
You can't make no money like that.
Nope, you cannot make any money like that, because at the end of the day, you want to be sitting real good.
Oh, baby.
Now, some of you are just thinking this is just another free payday and that's what's going to happen. You think you're going to have money in your bank account, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, you cannot fool the federal government. When your tax returns come in and those W-4s from your job are reported, and that report goes to the IRS, you're going to end up owing money to the federal government. And believe me, the federal government can cripple you in almost anything you do. The federal government can cripple you. So if I were you, I will go over the amount of money that you're now making. And if you make over that $200,000 as a joint couple, if you make over that $75,000 to $95,000 as a single person, if I were you, I will unenroll. This is Financial Literacy 101. This is the stimulus update, ladies and gentlemen. Great news. So start looking out for those payments today. And why don't you go ahead and break your boy off something? Nah, I'm just kidding. Break me off all of it. Nonetheless, just kidding. Nonetheless, you guys have a great and wonderful Thursday. I see you guys on the next one. Learn money and be inspired. I'm out.